And this is the last screencast for Java 1, term 1307. And we're going to jump right into it, to the typical questions for a reflection. How did our app come out? Well, I think my app came out pretty well. The theme, I like working with XML, makes sense. There's still a lot that I need to know. So let's go ahead and take a look at. So these are pretty funny jokes. It was fun to work with this. And I apologize if there's anything inappropriate. Sorry. So we did use a custom image. You can see this is not the typical theme. I did use a prefab theme, but I also did change some things up. And what you will see here as we go through here, this is the basically the list view XML. I use this as a template for a view that comes up here, but as of this video, I'll go back. If I show history, it's going to bring this list view up, and this is a separate activity. And technically, we haven't been taught how to do this, but I wanted to tackle it anyways. And I'm having issues populating the list view with the strings within the array list. So I'll be working on that tonight. But there's the template. We have the form, and this pretty much is what we're required to do with the XML. Additional to that, you'll see when you look into the app, this is where I actually used my image view, or just how and pretty much it was a custom image I made in Photoshop today. Our styles, as we can take a look here, we had custom styles and applied those to the form XML. So that was a lot of what we were working for. Now I'll tell you here things that so we did themes. We did pretty much most of the stuff that we needed. I didn't use a flipper because it didn't make sense in my app. That's why I was actually bringing in a separate activity, because to display the history, I wanted to basically have a scrollable list view so that I could, so you could kind of sort through these. And right now, that's my challenge. Now, what would I have done differently? Give me 1 second here. I'm going to kill this thing here, this view. Basically, what I would have done differently is really just spent more time in the forefront trying to learn more Java in the very beginning. I think I would have also spent a little bit more time planning out the app, and I think the API was a little distracting. Once I learned how to work with the API, and once I decided on one, then I had a good idea of what I wanted to do. And then really just spending more time in trying to figure out how to do that list view. I think that would have been one thing. Java or Objective-C, I like them both. I do like Objective-C, maybe because I know more of Objective-C, but I like Java too. There's some cool things. Working with XML, it's cool. It's a different way of doing layouts. So a few things that could have used more clarification. I don't know. I'm not even entirely clear on what I'm doing, so it's kind of hard to tell what exactly could use more clarification. Everything could use more clarification. Maybe how to populate list views with array list, and I know it's very similar to a spinner, but even a spinner didn't make sense for the app for what I was going to do. But that's it. this is the application, and I will see you guys. I'll see you guys, all of you around. Thank you so much. Have a good day.